Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Rusty's Relics. As you all remember, the 57 Chevy that we did earlier. We're gonna get it going real quick. We're gonna bring it inside. I bought some graphics for the door. So we're gonna strip the doors down with some paint stripper. As you can see, somebody put like Rhino liner on this thing years ago, but I'm hoping to do the whole thing kind of hot rod black, but we got a few things to do. We're going to try to get it running here and drive it in the shop.
These door handles remind me of, remember the old impact drivers? The impacts, you hit it?
Oh yeah. Those were all filled in. They actually brazed them in. I bought these mirrors brand new. Look at how bad they are now. This truck never had the luxury of being able to sit inside, which is
Never
a shame.
had the luxury of anybody giving a shit about it.
Oh, this thing's low.
Yeah, I tell you, it's right at the bottom of the wheel.
No, this my jump pack.
What?
I used it on the boat yesterday to check out that boat and didn't realize that she was that low. I might have to get a battery.
Hey, man. Fuel just in there.
Joe, you think they'll guarantee this mirror? Look at it. Classic industry.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was funny. I stripped this all down and I was like, yeah, they brazed all the holes up. Had some goofy mirrors on it, if I remember correctly. It had all the factory stuff was there. I gotta order some new mirrors. Strip it off first, Joe. So is it gonna matter? Maybe just put some cardboard down and get that shit swinging? Yeah. We gotta get some. What do you think, Christian?
It's beautiful. This is a beauty. She's squirting.
Rusty probably didn't put no never sees on them.
Well, next time.
Is this mirror still good? We'll put that one on the driver's side, Joe. Nice thing about it, snap-on wrench, right? Right? Nice thing about a snap-on screwdriver. Nice thing about Chinese stuff. I rounded it off like a dummy.
I didn't want to do that. That's why I quit.
know somebody who has a sandblasting system. Meet Christian's electrician 6 months ago. Guy still ain't here. Where's that guy, Christian?
It's MIA.
That one's going. I sinned. I didn't put no never seeds on. I'm surprised. We're taping that one. It's strip rigging. Proof. I hope I got enough. Probably not. I got cheap. This was $29.99. Exact O'Reilly. Which one's gonna work the best? You think that one's gonna work the best? Really, Joe? I think the aircraft was always my favorite, but I could be wrong.
Can you mix them though?
Yeah, we want to mix it.
We're going to make it fucking mustard gas.
This before when I put the mirrors on back in like 2017 maybe. Yeah, when I got this truck. I think you gotta put it on heavy.
How are you gonna tell? It's the only way to go.
Ooh, that stuff's got some power to it.
Like horseradish.
Smell like poop. I just ain't gonna be able to put no graphics on here with this stuff on there. It won't stick. Oh, I got some on my finger. They did this whole thing when I first got it. It was kind of all there. Everybody like, what the hell is that? Yeah, they Rhino lined it.
People should be happy.
Remember when I bought this truck, the guy was like, had a really cool shop. Forget where it was. He's like, you want a beer? I'm like, sure. Sat there drinking a beer. He had all kinds of projects. Like me.
You check it every 10 minutes it says so it's moving.
Okay. I gotta put it in, what do they call it? Alright, second coat. Well, we got to do the top of the door. But as you can see, this stuff works really good. You can get it at O'Reilly's, and this is not a advertisement by any way. By any means, any way, huh? This stuff's getting to me. But it works great. You know, if you're doing something in your backyard and you don't have all the fancy supplies, get a little bit of this, lay down some cardboard and tape or whatever, you get all that old paint off. Easy. Oh!
It's not spam jelly right here.
I don't think it's gonna hurt it. Well, it's actually cleaning it up. We found a new meaning for it.
It's like transmission fluid, but different.
I'm just gonna go around in the little areas where it's still a little heavy. We're gonna blow this with 80 and then like 320 or something. And we might even be nice to it, put a little primer on it. I don't know. I think for the most part, it's got most of it all off. that set up. Another spot here. Guess we're gonna wash it down. What do we do with that brush, Joe?
Stage 1,
Biggest on the hood of the S15.
strip. Second door, strip. We're gonna wash it, then we're gonna DA it.
What do you think, Joe?
Uh-huh.
I don't see it doing nothing.
Well, only neutralizes it.
Oh. Thought it like pick off the behind the Joe. On here. Joe, like they did to the Ultima.
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
Ready for paint.
fog in there for that.
Jeremiah, Christian. That's gonna look great.
Waterborne someday.
Okay?
That's garbage. Nothing.
Well, there it is. It's going to be the mascot. We're going to end up doing the rest of it, but pretty cool. You know? The old girl coming to life.